The exact moment your Windows 11 PC begins to freeze, stutter, or drop frames during a critical task, a familiar wave of frustration sets in. Your immediate tech instinct tells you that something is fundamentally broken. You spend hours browsing online forums, downloading sketchy third-party registry cleaners, typing random terminal commands, or assuming your hardware is simply getting too old. You might even start budgeting for a brand new solid-state drive or adding more random access memory to your system. But the single most effective optimization tool built into your computer costs exactly $0, requires no software downloads, and demands that you do absolutely nothing at all. In fact, it requires you to stand up, walk away from your desk, and leave your computer completely powered on and undisturbed for a full 24-hour cycle. Your operating system often isn't glitching because your physical hardware is dying. It is lagging because it is suffocating under a massive, hidden backlog of automated hygiene scripts that are being completely blocked from finishing their work. Windows 11 has a built-in digital sanitation crew engineered to optimize performance, compress old files, and index data. But Microsoft designed this crew with a strict rule. They are completely forbidden from operating while you are sitting at your desk. To understand why doing absolutely nothing can fix a misbehaving computer, we have to look directly beneath the user interface of Windows 11. An operating system is not a static set of files. It is a constantly shifting, dynamic ecosystem. Every single time you browse the web, install an application, or download a security patch, Windows writes, updates, and rearranges millions of lines of active code. But there is a major catch to how modern computers are used. Because modern systems boot up so quickly, most users either put their computer to sleep or completely shut it down the exact second they are done using it. This habit creates a hidden systemic bottleneck. Windows relies heavily on a built-in utility called automatic maintenance. This utility is hard-coded to execute vital, heavy-duty background tasks like malware scans, file system defragmentation, and database optimization. However, automatic maintenance is governed by a strict parameter known as the idle trigger. The exact millisecond your mouse moves a single millimeter, or your processor registers a spike in user activity, the sanitation crew immediately drops its tools and vanishes to ensure your computer doesn't lag while you use it. If you constantly turn off your machine or keep it heavily loaded, these tasks get pushed to the back of the line day after day, week after week. The unoptimized files stack higher until the entire system begins to experience micro-stutters, application timeouts, and unexplained performance degradation. When you leave your computer powered on, connected to the internet, and completely idle for an extended 24-hour stretch, you are giving the operating system the empty highway it needs to run a full system sweep. During the first few hours of pure idleness, Windows activates a core compiler framework called the Native Image Generator, or NGEN. Many modern applications and system updates are delivered in a universal, intermediate code format. To run efficiently, this code needs to be translated into native machine language optimized specifically for your exact processor architecture. If Windows has to do this translation on the fly while you are trying to launch a game or open a heavy application, your system chokes and stutters. NGEN uses deep idle hours to precompile this software quietly in the background, making sure everything runs at peak efficiency when you return. Once the code optimization finishes, Windows hands control over to the storage subsystem to execute a drive-level operation called a trim command. If your PC uses a modern solid-state drive, it cannot overwrite data blocks the way old mechanical hard drives used to. An SSD can only write new data into flash memory cells that have been completely wiped clean beforehand. If a drive is constantly under load, it runs out of pre-cleared space, forcing it to erase old blocks at the exact same millisecond it tries to write new ones. This causes severe system latency, momentary freezes, and eventual application crashes. The extended idle window gives the internal storage controller the uninterrupted downtime it needs to run garbage collection across the drive, clearing out deleted data and returning your storage to its true factory speeds. At the exact same time, Windows begins cleaning up its highly sensitive system directory, known as the WinSXS folder, or the component store. When Windows updates, it doesn't just replace old files. It keeps multiple versions of system components stored safely inside this archive, so you can roll back an update if something breaks. But if an update is interrupted or never properly finalized, this directory becomes bloated and disorganized, frequently causing subsequent Windows updates to throw cryptic error codes and fail entirely. During the deep idle state, the Deployment Image Servicing Management tool wakes up. It safely compresses old components, uninstalls obsolete code blocks, and verifies the integrity of your core system images completely automatically. This constant state of software friction has created a massive misunderstanding across the entire consumer technology landscape. We have been conditioned to believe that when a digital device begins to slow down or glitch, the solution is always to spend more money on newer hardware or download aggressive optimization software. The tech industry actively profits off our complete lack of patience. Software companies release rapid, massive feature updates, completely outsourcing the long-term optimization and cleanup work to these automated background routines, while intentionally hiding how those routines operate. This opacity turns the average user into a passive consumer who treats technology like magic. When the magic stops working, we assume the machine is broken, completely unaware that the software was simply crying out for a single window of uninterrupted rest to reorganize its internal architecture. Reinstalling your entire operating system or throwing your hardware away should always be an absolute final resort, never your first step. The next time your computer begins a frustrating cycle of endless stutters, slow load times, or update errors, do not rush out to buy new parts. Simply close your active applications, open your power settings to temporarily disable your sleep timers, leave the machine completely powered on, and walk away for a day. Give the code the physical time it needs to heal itself. The physics of modern software require patience, not a credit card. If you want to understand how the technology inside your home actually operates behind the scenes, using real computer science rather than consumer tech myths, join our community by subscribing to the channel right now. Click the video on your screen right now to watch our deep dive into the physical hardware myths that are costing you money. Leave a comment down below with your worst system maintenance horror story, and stay curious.